this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add the tear up paper effect to your videos on a CapCut PC. So here I've already prepared my edit, and to add the tear up paper effect, I'm going to just click on the effect at the top, and the tear up paper effect can easily be found under the retro tab. So click on that. Click on the retro category, and here you can see tear up paper. So first download it to the CapCut PC, then click on the plus icon to add it to your clips. Adjust the length. Okay, I'm going to adjust. You can also adjust the filter and the speed and also the texture. I'm going to copy it and place it on another clip. Okay, so just drag it here, for example. Okay, and that's it. This will be the result of my clips with the tear up paper effect. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below.